Hi, I'm Jenny. I'm a hair and makeup artist in Charleston, South Carolina. I'm glad you've landed on my channel. If this is the first time you've ever been here, please subscribe and activate the notification bell. I hope you'll enjoy this video and leave a comment so we can get to know you. Today I'm going to use a Tom Ford eyeshadow palette, and so I'm going to begin with an eyeshadow primer. I do feel like this is a necessary step. I do not leave this step out, especially when I'm doing a makeup look on a client. Usually they have an event and their look needs to stay perfect for 6 hours or more. And I use the Louise Eye Base. It's available on the Morphe website. I'm picking eyelash glue out of my lashes from the last look I did. Okay, this is it's number 27. It's Virgin Orchid. And I'll show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like. I'm going to begin with the darkest color, and I'm going to put that in my crease. This is usually where I begin, is with the crease. And the brush I'm using is from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe collab. It's her Eye Master collection, and it's the number 32 brush. So this color, I would call it a plum. Then I'm going to take the pink that's in this palette, this one, and pack that on my lid. All the way up to the crease. I'm going to take the white from this palette and put it on the inside corner. Very predictable look, right? Let's work on the brows now. I'm going to take my brow brush. It's a small angle brow brush. This particular one is from the Jeffree Star Morphe collab. They may still have these on the Morphe site. I think they may be more than half off. The eyebrow powder I'm using is from Tanya Crooks. It is Brow Gal. She also has a collection called Arches and Halo that's a little more affordable, that you can get at Target. I had some moisturizer in my eyebrows. It seems to be helping my brow powder to stick. Note to self, it's going on much quicker than it's progressing quicker than usual. I'm trying to get those fronts diffused pretty good. Alright, now I'm going to take the white from the Tom Ford palette and put it right up there, close to, right up next to the brow. Then I'm going to take my fluffy brush and I'm going to take the lighter of the, I guess it's a lavender or a taupe, and take that right along the border of the plum one. Now I'm going to use the Maybelline Eyestudio gel liner in Blackest Black, I think. And I'm going to make a wing. Wish me luck. This is always touch and go. no matter how many times I do it. I'm going to begin by looking straight into my mirror and mapping out where I want it. Like that. And then I'm going to come back I have my liner on now, so I'm going to go on to the underneath of my eyes, and I'm going to use the applicator that came in the palette, and I'm going to stamp the darkest plum color underneath. And I'm going to make it a little wider on the outside. I'm going to take the pink and put it on the inside corner. All right, let's put some eyelash primer on. I am going to wear lashes today, but I'm going to go ahead and do this step too. And I'm going to use the, I guess I'm going to use the Giga Black today on the top and the bottom. Besides the fact that this mascara has such a tiny little brush and you can get every little hair, it also is a good formula. Don't judge it by how it looks on my eyes though, because my eyelashes are stubby. And they have glue in them, so they're not performing properly. Kiss Foam Ink. This is the 5th time I've worn these. These are very durable lashes. I bought these tiny little Q-tips off of Amazon, and they're perfect for applying glue to your lash strip. Let's hope for the best. Glue is still too wet. I made a big effing mess. See if I can find a Q-tip to clean the glue off the top. Let's do foundation. I'm going to use the Healthy Glow since my skin is so dry right now. I had a moisturizer on already, but I'm just going to add to it. And now I'm going to use I have to go wet my sponge. Jizz. I'm going to, over the top of the Charlotte Tilbury Healthy Glow, I'm going to use the Born This Way foundation. And I'm going to apply it with a beauty blender, a damp beauty blender. And the color I'm using is Seashell. And I like to work it in for a while. Okay, just a little dibby dab more for up here. I never seem to get it wet enough. I guess I squeeze it out too much. Okay, there's the foundation. Now, I'm gonna get a contour, hold on. This is a surprisingly good contour. It's by Jordana. And I'm gonna take I'm not gonna use a beauty blender. I'm gonna use a contour brush. And gently blend that in. I'm gonna try to keep it where it goes. See, it's a good color, isn't it? This brush is the Lorac contour brush that comes with the little Pro Lorac contour kit. I don't know why I don't use it more often. There we go. Then I'm going to take the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. So I blended my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in with this tiny little, it's a mini sponge from Real Techniques. And so far I'm liking those. Sometimes the ones that are not Beauty Blender are hard. Somehow I blended away my nose. That always happens. I blend away my nose contour. Let's powder and put on a blush. I'm going to use the La Mer The Powder today. I put it on kind of heavy, and then I go back and I dust off any excess. Lightly dust over that contour to set it. For my highlight today, I'm going to put the highlight on first. I'm going to use it is plum, and it's a berry. The color is berry, and it's a Fit Me blush, and it's a glowing one. So I put it up high. See the glow? Did I pull anything else out to blush with? I guess I didn't. I guess this is what I intended it to be. I'm going to put a little bit right here. Like that. And then I'm going to go back with the powder again and bring down the front so it's not so clownish. Today I'm going to take this palette. It is the It Cosmetics, and I'm going to bronze a little bit right there and a little bit up here over the top of that contour. Now I need now that I've used all those powder products and I'm done with that, I'm going to put the Benefit Brow Gel on. And I'm going to come back with the Tanya Crooks Brow Pencil and draw on a few hairs in the front. Like that. I'm going back to the Tom Ford palette and take the pink color and pat it in the center of my lid. that. Now let's work on her lip. I promised to change lip pencils last time I saw you. So I've been using the House Laboratories Myth. It's been on repeat. So today I'm going to take Rimmel Cappuccino. It's a favorite of mine. Sharpen it with my favorite sharpener, my NARS sharpener. Okay, that was Cappuccino. And now I'm going to take the Time Ford lip gloss in Impulse. It's number 13. It didn't quite do what I wanted it to. There we go. And this lipstick is called Note, and the color is Lingerie Pink. Let's do another coat of mascara. I know, the ending of my videos just drags on forever because I can't ever leave it alone. I have to keep going. Try to get those inside lashes so that my false lashes blend better. And then the inner eye brightener in the color Polished. So there's my makeup look using the Time Ford Virgin Orchid Quad. I've been using a lot of warm colors lately, and I thought I would change it up and do a cooler eyeshadow look for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell and share this video with a friend. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Ta-ta.